I received a few comments and questions about my video, 4 Easy Steps to Engrave Stainless Steel with Brilliance Laser Spray. Michael Judd 4097 asks, can you share your settings? Thanks. And Michael Florent 8641 writes, would love to see a side-by-side using the spray and not using it. Marking stainless steel is sometimes a challenge when you have a diode laser. I'm Thomas Kangas with TK Designs, and in this video, I'll show you a comparison of laser marking with stainless steel bottle opener with Brilliance Laser Marking Spray and without. I'll be using XTool Studio, an upgrade to XTool Creative Space, and we'll see if the marking spray is necessary or not to get a good marking on stainless steel. In XTool Studio, I have a representation of our full-sized bottle opener, and I've inserted text into the left-hand side and right-hand side. And what we intend to do with that is laser engrave the left-hand side with the Brilliance Laser Marking Spray and the right-hand side without. So in order to do that, we're going to go to our settings, and we're going to set this as an engrave with a power percentage at 80% and a speed of 60 millimeters per second, one pass, 100 lines per centimeter, and bidirectional engraving mode. So once we've got that set, we can save the file and output that to the laser, and we'll be right back with the results of that. I start by preparing the bottle opener for the laser marking spray. I'm going to use some painter's tape to cover one side, or cover the middle, and then I'll spray the left-hand side and leave the right-hand side unmarked. In the next section of the video, I have purposely disengaged the safety features of the laser for visual clarity. Please do not attempt this at home. Always engage proper safeties. And also please heed the following warning that this video may potentially trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy. Your discretion is advised. After completing the laser work, we'll use a little water to wipe off the remaining spray, and we'll take a look at the bottle opener. On the left, where we used the laser spray, you can see the lettering is very, very dark and very pronounced. On the right-hand side, where we use just the laser, the marking is visible, but it's much less pronounced. At the time of this video, the Brilliance Laser Marking Spray sells for around 36 bucks on Amazon.com. I've left a link in the video description if you're interested in getting the spray. Overall, the marking spray does a fantastic job of marking the stainless steel. It is pricey, but if you're looking for a crisp text, this is certainly a good option. What other options do you use to mark stainless steel? Let me know in the comments. If you're still with me this far, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hype this video to help me get more exposure for my channel. I hope to see you again soon, and thanks for watching. Here's some other videos I think you'll enjoy.